In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate your Jotform forms into different languages, making your forms accessible and user-friendly for a global audience. This skill is invaluable for anyone looking to expand their reach and communicate effectively with users across various linguistic backgrounds. First things first, you'll need to open your browser and head over to the free online form builder and form creator at Jotform's official website. Once you're there, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to look for the login button, which is usually found on the top right corner of the website. Click on it to proceed. Now, if you've previously connected your Jotform account to Google or another platform, you'll see options to continue with those services. Select the one that applies to you to ease the login process. This small step helps in quickly accessing your dashboard without the need for manually entering your login details. Upon successfully logging in, navigate to the My Forms section of Jotform. This is your dashboard where all your form magic happens. Here you'll find all the forms you've created listed. Browse through them and select the form you wish to translate by clicking on Edit Form. This action will direct you to the Form Builder interface. Once you're in the Form Builder, you'll need to access the settings of your form. Look for the Settings tab, which is typically situated at the top of the page. Clicking it will reveal a variety of settings related to your form. Now, to delve a bit deeper into more specific settings, you'll want to locate and click on Show More Options. This is where Jotform hides all the extra features that give you more control over your form's functionality. Scroll down until you find the Form Languages section. It might take a second, but it's there. Patience is key. Once you spot it, you're going to click on Edit. This is where the actual translation work begins. After clicking Edit, you'll see a wide range of languages available for you to choose from. This is the moment where you select the language into which you want to translate your form. Take a moment to browse through the options and pick the language that suits your audience's needs. After selecting your desired language, you can go through your form and start translating the content. It's a manual process, but it ensures that your translations are accurate and fit the context of your form. Remember, a well-translated form feels more personal and accessible to your audience, leading to better engagement and completion rates. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully navigated through Jotform's interface to translate your form into another language. This process not only enhances the accessibility of your forms, but also opens up new avenues for reaching a global audience. To wrap up, it's worth mentioning that testing your form in the newly applied language is a crucial step. Go through your form as if you're a first-time visitor, checking for any translation errors or misunderstandings that could potentially confuse your users. Making sure that everything is in perfect order ensures a smooth experience for your form fillers from across the globe. Remember, the world is diverse, and by translating your Jotform forms, you're taking a significant step towards inclusivity and broadening your reach. Whether you're collecting feedback, registering participants for an event, or conducting a survey, your forms are now ready to welcome users in the language they're most comfortable with. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Embrace the power of language, and may your forms connect you with people far and wide. Happy form building!